All right. We are going to unbox today the VideoMicro compact on camera microphone by Rode. We'll go with Rode. Full disclaimer, I already opened the top, so it's kind of a unpacking after I open the top type of thing, so sue me. Alright, let's look in here. Here we got the little mic, and I believe the fuzzy thing is for when you're outside to help block out the wind or whatever. And the mic's in there. We'll take that out here in a second. I think it slides off or something. Alright, what else we got in here? Looks like we got the regulatory and safety guide. We'll read through that thoroughly, of course.
Trash.
And the instruction guide looks like pretty simple, but we'll read through that here in a second if we need to. I'm guessing this is the connection. Hope I don't need anything else. Let's just dump this out. So this here is for my phone, which is the Galaxy S23, I believe. I'll put that in the comment, or I'll edit that and put it on the screen or whatever. But I know it can be used for the iPhone also, or any Galaxy. This is stuff that you do not eat. So, just in case that looked yummy to you, don't eat it. Alright. This, I guess, is if you register it for warranty. Might do that, just in case. Alright. So, this is what you got. Not including my little tripod thing I just bought. But here we go. Alright, so we got the little fuzzy thing on it. I'm not sure what this is called. I think it just pulls off. But I don't want to break it, obviously. Oh, okay, there. Yeah, just pops off. So we'll save that for later. I'm going to test that in the wind to see what it sounds like. But it looks like he's got the mic here. There's a little side screens or holes, I guess, if you want to call them here. This just mounts on top of your phone. And I do believe the tripod I bought, which is the Joby Gorilla tripod, I'll put exactly what it is up on the screen. I was researching YouTube, and it looked like a lot of people recommended this little tiny Joby. Here, I'll show you. It's a Joby tripod, so I guess we're doing 2 reviews right now. And it's the Gorilla tripod, I believe is what they call it. It's really cool. You can wrap it around stuff. My daughter also likes it because I can put the phone on here with YouTube videos or whatever for her to watch. And then these little legs can kind of curl around on the towel rod, so she can see it from the bathtub and watch YouTube while she's taking a bath and chilling. But anyways, back to the mic. This goes on top of your tripod. And I believe this little square right here should fit right in there. Alright, so I did get it on there, but these aren't exactly 100% compatible. Again, I'll list the exact models of both the tripod and the mic on the screen. As you can see, I got it on there, but I had to like manhandle it. Like I had to force it on there. If you can tell, I'm trying to get a shot of this. I had to squeeze it through. So I don't know if you can see, but I had to just kind of push it on, which is fine. That'll work, I believe. But yeah, I don't think it just didn't have quite the clearance to squeeze to open up enough to go on it. Oops, this is a great video. Tell me, amateur. But I had to like open up as far as I could, and even then I had to like really squeeze it on. So I think I'm putting my camera way too close. But I did get it on, so we will check it out. And This little part just goes right on here. Fingers in the way. Wow, I'm really good at this. This little part goes right in here. So the mic is on. Unfortunately, I just realized that it comes with this connection, which goes into a camera. However, on my phone, it does not have a slot for the male version of this. So I do know there's an adapter online. So I'm going to have to order that and continue this video after that, which will be probably a couple days off Amazon for me, but should just be a stop and go change on the scene for you. So we'll be back in a couple seconds. Okay, so I got the adapter. This first clip is without the mic. The second clip is with the mic. You should be able to tell the difference. I will say that I probably had the camera / mic a little too close to the screen, but you'll see for yourself. So here we go. All right, now we're going to test the little fuzzy, I don't know what you want to call it, but the little wind protector thing that goes around the mic. In order to do that, I'm about to let you watch a little bit of an outtake of one of my intro clips. I shot it outside. It was super duper windy, and I feel like you can hear me pretty good without hearing too much of the wind. But here, you listen, you be the judge of that. Hey everybody, my name is Jeremy. It's windy out here. I'm a single father of a little girl with full custody of her, and I have a terminal disease. Life expectancy is currently 1 to 3 years. We're gonna try to kick that thing's butt though. So what do I think overall of the Rode VideoMicro compact on-camera microphone? First of all, I was going to say the Joby stand. I'll do a review on that later. So other than that, kind of not fitting. I'll get into that on that review. But as far as the actual VideoMicro compact on-camera microphone by Rode, I love this little microphone. I think it's dope, especially for the price. You can hear really well. It captures pretty much everything. I didn't even know it came with a little wind protector, and that wind protector kicked butt when I was outside. It doesn't. You can see the wind on my shirt, and believe me, it was super windy, but you can hardly hear any wind whatsoever. So I give a big thumbs up for this little camera, especially if you're trying to keep on a budget. It's like your first camera. You're just starting to record stuff. I'm sure you can get better stuff for more expensive, but I'm super duper happy with this purchase. I'll leave a link in the description so you can buy it if you want. And also in that link, you can check out the other microphones if you want to get something different. But other than that, yeah, that's my review on that. We'd love if you subscribed and follow along with our journey. It helps us out a lot. Or if you don't want to subscribe, I totally understand that. But if you could at least give a like, that doesn't cost you anything, and that helps out too. But if you don't feel like doing either one of those, thanks for watching anyways. Have a good one.